man, so another 7% pump here for Phantom today, guys. I'm out here taking a stroll by the beach here in Dubai, just chilling really, but had to bring you this update, guys, because we see what's happening in the charts. Forgive the camera quality, guys, forgive the audio quality. As long as we get an update, guys, that's what's important, in a timely manner. So I'm going to try to share with you what I'm seeing in the charts. Unfortunately, Bitcoin has continued a downtrend, which is interesting. So we created a lower high, which I'm going to show you, and a lower low, but we're still at about 47,000. And it's crazy that Phantom is still showing great strength in this moment to continue to the upside, right? And this is absolutely crazy. Let's see if we can head over straight into the charts, and we'll keep this one nice, short and sweet. As you can see here on Bitcoin, you can see here we created a lower low. This low here is lower than this low, and we created a lower high. So we're still in a downward trend here on Bitcoin, which is not the best. But let's swiftly move on to Phantom, because we're here to talk about Phantom. Let me still go all the way down here to Phantom. And let's pull up the Phantom chart. And as you can see, in yesterday's video, I said it's critical that we get through the 237 mark. We did, and we did so in style, guys. A nice clean breakthrough at the first attempt, straight above the 237 mark, and interestingly higher than the head from the head and shoulders pattern, which we've been covering. Now, we've had a slight rejection here from the Fibonacci level, which is completely normal. We've got that rejection here from the 0.618. Sorry, we went through the 0.618 level. We got rejected by the 0.65 level at about 261. Now, this is all healthy for Phantom. This is a really strong moment here for Phantom, as we can see in the charts. This is a perfect upward trend. But what's more staggering, guys, is the fact that we're getting this while Bitcoin is continuing to struggle. So next, like we said for Phantom, we need to break through this 0.65 level. And for me, we need to quickly get to the 0.786. That's where the fun really starts to happen. Can we get to $2.95 at the 0.786 Fibonacci level? Then we can really start talking about all-time highs at $3.50 mark-ish or here on Phantom. So really exciting start to the year for Phantom, and you guys must be buzzing. If you're holding Phantom, comment below. Let me know if you're a holder of Phantom, if you've been investing in Phantom, and how long you've been investing in Phantom. Comment below your entry point and how long, when was the first time you came across Phantom, and who introduced you to this great project. So like I said in yesterday's video, guys, the layer 1 space is really hot right now, and going into Q1 and Q2 of 2022, this is going to be a hotly contested space. This is a space we need to keep an eye on, both from a technical and fundamental standpoint. We can see Phantom, the number of unique addresses here on Phantom are 1.5 million, guys, over 1.5 million. To put this into context, it was at single-digit thousands in just January. That's a 24,000% increase roughly on the number of active wallets here on Phantom. If you look at the total value locked on all its great projects, continuing to explode. The number of great projects and dApps being built, the number of partnerships, it's all heading in the right direction here for Phantom, and it's super exciting, right? So we need to keep an eye on all these fundamental metrics. Yes, we can look at the charts, and the charts are really important, and you can see the charts are showing us great patterns, and we cover them here on this channel. That is fantastic. But we need to keep an eye on these fundamentals as well. And the key fundamental, more than all of that, is the narrative that we need really good layer 1 solutions. And Phantom has proven itself as a secure, decentralized and scalable solution, right? Good transactions per second, good security, good block finality, and they're getting things done. And that's the key right now. People are looking for layer 1 solutions which are getting things done. And if the layer 1 solutions are in space, we're going to continue to see progression in that space, right? So we need to on that, looking really good. If we go back to charts, what are we looking at for here now? Or just to remind you guys of what we need to see next. And what we need to see next is, like I said, we need to get through this Fibonacci level. We've had a little bit of rejection here from the 2.61 level. We're sitting now at 2.49. We're above £2.50, which is a fantastic psychological barrier for us, which is brilliant. But I want to see us now get to $2.95. That's my next level here for Phantom. But we may need Bitcoin to do a bit more than it's doing. It's phenomenal that Phantom is doing this move here when Bitcoin is still bearish on its 4-hourly and daily. That is stunning for us here. And if I bring out the EMA ribbon, not sure if you're going to see this clearly. Let's see if I can get nice and zoomed in. You can see this is beautiful here on the 4-hourly, guys. Another pump up. Don't worry if we get a little bit of cooling off and retest 237. That's fine. As long as we bounce off of it and continue to head higher to our next targets of 295, that's going to be really interesting. So happy for us to collect some support at 237 before then pushing on through 251, past 263 at the Fibonacci level, and then head over to 295. That's what I want to see. If I flick over to the daily as well, beautiful extension still on our EMA ribbon, no worries whatsoever. Even if we cool down to 237, look at the extension we have. We can even cool down to 195, 196 area without flipping bearish on Phantom. So this is really set up for a nice move, Phantom. You can see now the EMA ribbon is officially flippening, and what that means is when the shorter time frames are going above the longer term time frames, this is super bullish on Phantom. And I want to make you guys aware of this because this is a critical technical indicator. Normally when you see these flip, you see a massive pump to the upside. Now all we need to finish this beautiful pattern off, guys, from a fundamental perspective, we just need risk to come back on. Right, the new year has started now. We're the 2nd of January here. People will start to get back to their desks and start to allocate their funds and their positions going into 2022. And like I said, I think layer 1 solutions are going to be hot. These VCs, these institutions, these sophisticated retail traders and investors with big funds, they're not blind to this. They know they're looking at specific coins. They'll be looking at Solana, they'll be looking at ADA. They've been looked at for a couple of years now, but they'll also be looking at Phantom. They'll be looking at Terra. They'll be looking at Cosmos, which we covered in the video prior to this. Make sure you don't miss out on some of these sleeping giants, guys. And more importantly, the narrative of layer 1, and then the second one I've been harping on about, which is layer 2 solutions. Because guess what? It's 2022 now. We've been promised ETH 2.0. Will we get it? What kind of news will we hear? Will we hear progress? Will we hear comments about delays? How will that affect your investments? We need to start thinking this through and understand what this means for our portfolios, guys. So there you go. There is an update on Phantom. As always, guys, if you appreciate this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to support this channel a little bit more, consider hitting the join button, guys. I'm committed to bringing you guys these updates on a daily basis. Hopefully you guys find this useful if you're invested in Phantom, or you're interested in Phantom, or you're day trading Phantom. Hit that join button. That's your way of supporting me, but more importantly, it will give you access to our community only thread. There, you'll be able to ask me questions on your favorite coins or your portfolio or something you're looking to invest in. Feel free to tag me there, ask me questions, and I'll get back to you one-on-one if you're a member of this channel. For everybody else, guys, don't forget to head over to the link in the pinned comment. That's going to be our Discord channel. Okay, guys, head over into there. Make sure you meet like-minded people. There's over 350 people in there, guys. Really fast-growing community of loyal, smart crypto enthusiasts. This is not, there's no pumps in there, there's no dumps in there, there's nobody immaturely shouting Phantom to the moon. We don't tolerate that. We want smart, knowledgeable people in the community sharing insights, sharing fundamental analysis, sharing technical analysis, and tagging me with any questions they have as well. So if you want to join, be part of that community, jump into there. You'll also get an option to vote on your favorite coins, right? Coins you want covering on this channel.